So, I'm in Honolulu, drunk at a Dave & Buster's at like 1 a.m. I decided to go wander around. It's like the most touristy area in the whole world. I'm walking past this bus stop right near the beach and these high school kids ask me if I have a paper. I was like yeah, and they said they'd smoke me out. So I was lying fuck yeah, and we blazed up and just chatted. They had BMX bikes and let me try them out because I told them I used to ride and it was fun. I thought they were just goofy street kids, so I hung out with them for about an hour or so when we get to Cardboard Box on a dark sidewalk near the docks. Then they tell me that's where they sleep. I was like that fucking sucks. All of a sudden the kid puts a gun up in my face and I got mugged. They only took my cash, gave me my wallet back and took my flip-flops. My phone was dead, so let me keep that too. They actually forced me to smoke fucking meth, like WTF. Then I just start walking and they were following about a block behind me for about a mile. I end up walking into the shittiest neighborhood and I feel like I'm about to get mugged all over again. This guy comes up to, I assume he was a pimp. He's like, "What are you doing here?" Then he says to hug this hooker so everyone watching me would think I belonged. I obliged and he then gave me a pair of flip-flops and money for the bus like he knew what had happened to me. I go to a bus stop and the bus isn't running in the middle of the night. Some guy comes up and tells me it's not safe to be there. We end up chatting and I decide to go hang at the beach with him until morning. We get to the beach and I never told him what happened to me, but I got the feeling they were interconnected somehow and he knew. Well, this big dude comes up to us on a park bench at the beach. They knew each other and went into the bathroom together.